Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a tutorial for this really pretty romantic-y Valentine's Day eye look. So this is going to be a short one, you guys, because I want to know if you guys enjoy the shorter tutorials or the longer, more in-depth tutorials. So don't forget to leave me a comment down below and letting me know which one you guys prefer. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And please, if you have not already, please hit that subscribe button and become a member of my YouTube family. I would love to have you here. So let's jump right on in and get started. Okay, so let's jump right on into this romantic Valentine's Day eye look. So the first thing I'm going to use, it is not my normal. I'm going to be using the CoverGirl True Naked palette in the shade, well, not in the shade. It's in the roses. I don't know if this actually, no, it doesn't. Okay, never mind. I'm going to talk to myself today. I gotta get rid of these things. These things annoy the living daylights out of me. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this shade right here. It is this shade right there. Why can you not see it? It is like a baby pink. More on the cream side, but baby pink. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to pop this right into my transition shade area, into the crease. And I'm just going to use that to kind of lighten everything up so everything blends seamlessly. And I'm going to pull it down onto the lid as well. I'm going to try to make this a quick video. You guys let me know in the comments below, do you prefer quick videos, like maybe 10 minutes or less? Or do you prefer the lengthier ones that I go more into detail with the tutorials? Please leave me a comment down below and let me know. Okay, so after we have that light pink base going, I'm going to try not to poke myself in the eye. I'm going to move on down the line to this shade right here. It is more of a mauve shade. Let me see if I can get a swatch for you here. It's like a light mauve-y color. It does build up though. I'm going to put it right over top of that, not on my lid, but right in the crease and above. And then just blend it out. You want to get most of the product off and then blend it. Okay. And the same thing with the other side. Okay, so now that we're done with that for right now, we're going to move into the Ulta Beauty Matte Neutrals palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Cora, which is black. You can use any black shade that you want to use, any black. I'm just going to tap that onto my brush right there and tap it off, and I'm going to pop it all over my lid. And you want to make sure that if you have already done your face, you want to pat this on. Do not rub it on, or you will most likely get a lot of fallout. So just keep on patting that in until you get the pigmentation that you want. Then do the same thing with the other eye. Okay, now that you have that all on your lid, you want to kind of blend out that harsh line a little bit. I'm going to go in with another blending brush and go back in with that second color that we used, that mauve shade. And just tap a little bit on my brush. And then go right over top of that outer line of the black. And that's just to blend a little bit of that harsh line out. and make it all a little more smoother, a little bit more smoky. And the same thing with the other eye. You want to get a little bit more and blend that out. Okay, now that I have that all blended out, let me go and pop on some mascara and eyeliner and we will finish it up. Okay, so now that I have my mascara and my eyeliner on, we can finish it up. Okay, so I'm going to use the same brush that I blended out the black and the purpley area. I'm going to go back in with that same mauve that we put everywhere and just pick up a little bit on my brush, and I'm going to dust it under my lower lash line. So make this lovely face. I just want to get some pigmentation there so everything blends together nicely. Try to keep it as close to your lower lash line as possible so you do not end up with raccoon eyes. Because we've all done that. I know I have. Okay. And then I'm also going to go back in with that lightest shade, that first one that we used, and try to blend out that bottom part just a little bit. So it makes everything not so harsh. Oops, I went in with the wrong one. And since our eyes are so daggone dark, I'm going to brighten up the inner corners like I normally do. And I'm going to use the, what is this? Urban Decay Midnight Cowboy. Just pop a little bit on the inner corner. Right there. And you guys, you can skip this part. Or if you don't have this, you can use your face highlighter. Or there is a really pretty shade in this one. Here, let me do a little swatchy swatch. Okay, this is the Midnight Cowboy right here. And then here is this shade. Yeah, this shade right here. It's the second one. It is pretty daggone close. Let me make this one a little bit darker, if I don't say so myself. So the middle one is the Urban Decay, and that one over here on the far left, or far right, whatever. This one is the CoverGirl one, and this one is the Urban Decay one. So you can use either one you want, or whatever you want to use. Or you can skip this part altogether. I'm just a big fan of the inner corner and brow highlight. I like it. Pop a little bit right there. Draw some attention. And that, my loves, is it. That's it. Pretty simple, pretty cute, pretty quick, if I don't say so myself. If I do say so myself, I butchered that all over the place, didn't I? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and become a member of my YouTube family. And don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you guys like the shorter tutorials or the longer ones. Just let me know one way or the other. So I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys have a great day.